name is Abhishek Sharma, the junior architect here at And Spaces. Welcome to another episode of Unraveling Design with And Spaces. Today we are discussing about one of our architectural project, Vedan Banquets. In this video, we are talking about planning and architectural features of the project. The project is located at the banks of Mohna River at Akola, which is the third largest city in Vidarbha, Maharashtra. Akola is an important city due to its history, culture, agriculture and politics. The future prospect of an upcoming airport nearby, the open space around, the approachable highway and the easy accessibility from the city facilitated the site in the MIDC area of the city to be the perfect choice for the grand banquets. Indian weddings are elaborate and requires immense preparations. To make these days hassle-free and help easy out of crowds, our banquet hall is designed with simplicity in the planning, easy circulation and entry and exit points. With the thoughtful placement of the respective function spaces for all single wedding traditions and functions. The site has a grand entry and exit point with a dedicated parking area for the guests to accommodate maximum number of vehicles. Banquet hall had multiple entries, the main entrance with a grand and luxurious entrance lobby, and the separate entrance for staff and the bride into the hall is provided with proper end-to-end car accessibility. A huge lawn area at the back of the building is demarcated for the open-to-air function wedding reception. The main entrance opens up to a grand banquet hall which is dedicated to ritual area for wedding ceremonies. A pillar-free ballroom with a 14-feet high ceiling for the perfect wedding ambience. The ground floor was designed prioritizing the footfall of the people using it, thus consisting of the main hall, the office, the small hall or conference and the bridal room. A high ceiling bridal room, spacious enough to accommodate the bridal bride with her belongings, was planned alongside the main functional hall. Along with this, a dedicated salon space for the bride adds a cherry effect. The first floor layout consists of the dining hall and the groom's room along with the accommodation for the guests. Planning of the room is such that they create a huge central space making it the perfect area for small intimate gallery like haldi function or late night auntie gossip. A partition was designed between the dining space and the small gathering area which provides easy bifurcation of the space as and when required. The elevations of the building are simple and uncluttered with not a lot of design elements or finishes to provide an open hand to event decorator for his choice and style of decoration. The grandeur and opulence of the banquet is in the simplicity and minimalistic design in the terms of architecture as well as interior. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.